Today I am reviewing DS10 Pro Keyless Entry Door Lock with Handle Set. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to upgrade your home security with a modern, smart solution, the DS10 Pro Keyless Entry Door Lock with Handle Set by AkaGear is an exceptional choice. This lock is not just another keypad on your door. It's a fully featured smart locking system designed for convenience, safety, and speed, perfect for families, busy professionals, and anyone who values a secure home without the hassle of traditional keys. One of the standout features of the DS10 Pro is its multiple unlocking options. You no longer have to worry about lost keys or forgotten codes. With this smart lock, you have 4 ways to gain access: fingerprint recognition, PIN codes, a smartphone app, and even traditional mechanical keys. This flexibility is especially useful in households with kids, elderly members, or guests who may need temporary access. You can choose the method that best suits your lifestyle and never get locked out unexpectedly. The fingerprint unlocking feature is impressively fast and reliable. In just 0.3 seconds, the DS10 Pro recognizes your fingerprint, giving you entry in about 1 second. That means no fumbling with keys or typing long passcodes. You simply touch the sensor and the door opens instantly. It supports up to 50 unique fingerprints, making it perfect for larger households or shared spaces. For those who like to manage access remotely, the smartphone app connection via Bluetooth is a game changer. You can easily add new users, set specific permissions, and monitor access logs from your phone. If you pair the lock with a compatible gateway, you can even integrate it with Alexa or Google Home Assistant, allowing for voice-activated control and full smart home integration. Security is always a priority, and the DS10 Pro covers that with features like auto-locking and mute mode. The auto-lock function can secure your door automatically 5 to 59 seconds after closing, ensuring you never forget to lock up. Mute mode is another thoughtful addition, allowing quiet entry during late-night arrivals without disturbing your household. Battery life is another area where the DS10 Pro excels. Designed to last up to a year and withstand 7,000 unlocking cycles, it reduces the hassle of frequent battery replacements. The lock also includes low battery alerts and backup power options, so you can always enter your home safely, even if your main batteries run out. Installing the DS10 Pro is simple and doesn't require professional help. With just a screwdriver, you can fit it on virtually any standard US door, whether it's left or right-handed. The package includes everything you need: the fingerprint deadbolt, lever and handle set, keys, latch, strike plate, screws, and detailed instructions, making the installation process straightforward and stress-free. In addition to functionality, the design of the DS10 Pro is sleek and modern, finished in oil-rubbed bronze and made with durable aluminum. It combines robust security with an aesthetic that complements most front doors, adding both safety and style to your home. Overall, the DS10 Pro Keyless Entry Door Lock with Handle Set by AkaGear is a feature-packed, reliable, and user-friendly smart lock. From fast fingerprint access and flexible unlocking options to app connectivity and auto-locking security, it addresses every need a modern household might have. If you want to upgrade your home security without sacrificing convenience or style, the DS10 Pro is an outstanding choice that provides peace of mind, ease of use, and modern smart functionality, all in one sleek package.